What's up, guys? You know who it is. Kenny G here. We got an interesting little job for you. So I actually already started. I wasn't gonna film it, but then these next two trees might be pretty cool, so I'm gonna film them. Anyhow, it's 7 dead trees. We're just dropping them, but they're leaning up, and I'm gonna do a little domino effect with 2 of them here. So you can see, here's one dead one. It's leaning up the hill, and we have another dead one behind it here, leaning down the hill. I'm gonna hit this one with that one and push them both down alongside the woods, and then we're getting a rope up in this 3rd one to pull it up there, and then the big one will be later. So it should be cool. All right, guys, we're going in. You can see, actually, I'm gonna get a wedge in this tree. Let me grab my axe. Well, here's the culprit. Right here, you can see it's leaning hard up the hill. There, she's leaning right up towards this oak, this bigger oak. I'm gonna probably get it up here, but then I'm gonna risk the tops breaking out and flinging back at me. So what I'm gonna try to do is push it with this tree right down here. So I'll get it cut up, put a wedge in it, and I'll go cut the other one. I think it's cut. I'll beat this wedge in now. It's white oak, it holds on pretty well. That's it. Okay. That one's ready. Don't miss! Huh? Don't miss, or that one's gonna land out there on the house.
Which one?
The one I cut. Okay guys, I'm not trying to throw Mike under the bus here. He's been cutting trees a long time. Very good at what he does. This can happen to everybody. It's happened to me dozens of times. But I just want to use this opportunity here to explain what happened here. So the first thing that happened is his notch is not aimed directly at that tree in the right spot. And what happened here is he's cut so many trees in his life that he just flew through this one without checking his sights or aiming. Just from doing it so many times, he just made the notch and didn't check. Next, he had a bit of a Dutchman here, and this will happen. Two things will happen with the Dutchman. The first thing that will happen is the Dutchman, because there's a little shelf there, like an undercut, that Dutchman will close, and then it creates pressure, and it'll pull the wood out and cause the tree to break. The other thing on strong wood like this white oak, that Dutchman closes, and then it's a little thing for it to sit on. It's actually holding the tree. And as that wood compresses, you'll see the tree creep as the wood is compressing and compressing because those two cuts close and meet, and it's compressing and compressing until eventually it breaks. But that's the problem here. That's what went wrong, is misaligned notch and a Dutchman. Like I said, this can happen to everybody. It's happened to me a lot of times, and this is why it's important to check and double check in tree work, because mistakes like this can happen when you get content and you've been doing it so long you think that everything is just another tree. Let me see if I could put this other wedge in there and get her to go. You guys can see here, I mean, I got 1.5 inches. Maybe 2 inches of wood on this side. Even on this side. The problem is we had this tree aimed too far up this way, and it hinged over too slow. We needed momentum to whack it, but I'll try to get it to go. It's going. Holy. Alright guys, before we can drop this one, I gotta get this big one down because the limb will catch on it. So we didn't want, instead of matting the bucket way up here, I'm just gonna climb it, top it out. It's just gonna be easier, faster than trying to mat that bucket 100 yards. I just want to point out this is missing like half its teeth. Missing one, missing one, missing one. That one's about gone. This one's about gone. Missing one, missing one, missing one, missing one. Even though it's missing probably 30% of its teeth, it's gonna cut just like a new chain. Hey Lou, I'll have you tie that on once I get up there. Thanks. Thanks, buddy. Climbing a mushroom stem. Another dead limb. That's why I couldn't get this. Definitely wasn't my bad throwing, it was that knotted up rope. Yep. Definitely not my throwing. Yeah, unknot that and tie this on, please. Yeah, I don't know, I might need a rope for that. So you guys pull it. Okay guys, I'm about to show you the most efficient way to tie a saw on. Alright, it's on. Look at this. You guys see it? You just grab there and boom. On. I'm probably gonna need a pull line. I'm gonna go ahead and go tie in somewhere high. Just because I have to swing over to place a pull line. Although it's going to take a little extra time right now in the beginning, it's going to save time in the long run. So I did a conventional notch there because I wanted that to jump out a bit. I cut it a little high, like an inch above or two above the bottom cut. That usually makes them jump out for some reason.
I found your gloves. Do you want them?
No, I don't want them right now. I'm gonna go tie in, then I'm gonna drop this top down there. I'm gonna drop these ones. I'll swing over, put a rope up here, have you pull it up the hill. This tree's dead as a doornail, guys. But it's white oak, so it's nice and strong. So back in the day, right here, I'll just free climb. I wouldn't even be tying in twice like this. But it's like, it's not worth it. Even though like right now, see, I'm not even, the rope's not holding me. It's not worth chancing falling 50 feet or more. Just isn't, guys. Just tie in when you get to a Unions or use 2 lanyards. I don't like to use 2 lanyards, but I just use my climbing line. So I also like to go tie in usually, even if I don't have to. It's just safer this way. and easier. Saves the back and hips and stuff. Anyhow, we're gonna start hammering down. Take the brake off, but this one's messed up. It's like sticking. I think I can just hinge this down. Perfect. We gotta keep everything here in the woods. Now we'll drop down and take this whole piece. Ah. So this is another reason I'm tired now. If this like splits or comes back, I could just swing right over here out of the way. See what I mean? That's why it's best to tie in. Perfect. Okay, so now we got this big one to deal with. Unfortunately, we have this little oak here at the top's coming out, and I'm gonna have to hit it. So hopefully it brushes through. I'm gonna aim it way this way, right on the left side of that oak there. And hopefully it just brushes down through without busting that top. If not, we can cut that tree down. It's not a big deal. They said whatever we have to take down, we can take down. So again, I'm tired. I'm gonna stay attached to here. So if I have to, I can kick myself over. See what I mean? Did bust that top. That's okay. We'll just cut that tree down. this dead one here, I'm going to have to get out there, cut it, because if I cut it down here, see how it's going over that crotch there? If I cut it here, it's going to hit there, the top's going to flip back at me. So I have to get out there far enough where when it hits it, the top's going to flip down over the other side. Guys, this is dead. If I put my weight on this, like you can see right now, I'm not even standing on it. But if I put my weight on it, it would definitely break. So right now I have probably 98% of my weight on this climbing line. Flip down. I could almost get over there and cut that oak limb, or top, I mean. Now, can I get back on it without So I'm gonna have you guys pull it straight up at that other tree that we dropped.
I have to get another ripple tie onto that.
All right. not sweat. And sawdust some on. Sweat and sawdust, guys, sweat and sawdust. It's like I put my glasses on, they're fogged up instantly. Then I can't see, so it's like work with the glasses or you take them off. Alright, I just gotta get this rope up there and I'll have them pull this. I'm actually gonna take this back limb off. Heads up, guys, I'm gonna cut this back limb off so you guys can pull this easily. So guys, that was leaning completely that way. I put a deep knot in it though, that's how I got it to go. There's gravity and physics. Take this one last clip off for them. Alright, I'm ready for you guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think right here would be a good spot. So I held to this side. I ended up cutting this corner at the end there. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Once it started to move, I cut this corner off. That's because it was leaning hard this way. I wanted to pull this way. We got the land right there where we wanted, so that's good. Now we have this top left. Not even gonna cut that stub off. It can stay on. I just gotta go up where it's small enough I can cut it with this saw. So because my saw is too small, I had to make sure I got that side cut first. So that's it, we're gonna follow the log now. Okay guys, we're gonna crank this big one over. Oh yeah, you're moving it. Easy. I heard a pop.
Huh?
I heard a crack and pop. You ready?
We need a place to run, hold on.
Okay. Oh yeah, right in the hole. I might need the wedges. All right guys, this log is leaning up there. I'm gonna put a real deep knot in it, try to get it to go here. I'll use the force of it going this way to pull it down there, plus gravity with the deep knot. Perfect guys, perfect. You can see I hit metal for something right here in the center. But other than that, good. Right where we wanted her. If you guys liked the video, subscribe. KG out.